Good Sunday, everybody. Hope everybody's doing fantastic. I wanted to talk about self-worth. When sobriety found me back in 2018, I didn't have a whole lot of self-worth. And most of that was from the years I wasted in alcoholism, just not looking for a better version of myself. When I got sober in 2018, probably went through a few years of this void where I still didn't feel worthy of anything good. Even though good things were happening in my life, I felt like I didn't deserve these good things because of so much time that I had wasted. That's probably another story to get into, but for focus of this video, I wanted to talk about the self-worth and incorporating the Stoic principle Amor Fati, which means love of fate. It could also be translated as love of one's fate. Embracing the good and the bad of your life, which were key parts to your growth. And for me, I've discovered just how true that is. So I have some information here that I'm going to read from just so I don't waste your time and go off on little side paths that I can from time to time. We're going to be embracing self-worth through Amor Fati. And it's like a journaling prompt that you can use. So this is a great exercise that plays on the growth mindset connection as well as cognitive neuroscience connection. And this prompt helps you confront feelings of low self-worth tied to past naivety and involuntary losses, reframing them through the Amor Fati principle to see all experiences as essential to your growth. It promotes metacognition, which is also known as self-reflection, to enhance prefrontal cortex activity, reducing emotional reactivity, and building neural pathways for self-acceptance, which basically all that means is it sparks self-awareness to supercharge the brain's control center. It tames those wild emotional swings, and it's forging stronger mental highways for self-acceptance. And so here's the example of how this works out. There's 4 things. The first one is release. So you want to release the thought of, I'm not enough because I missed opportunities in the past. You can definitely translate to your own unique situation for that release aspect. Then you want to replace that. Each morning, you write an Amor Fati affirmation. I love my fate because my past mistakes taught me to value my growth today. And then you want to track it. So note daily whether you wrote the affirmation, and if so, how it impacted your mindset. So for example, writing this made me feel lighter, like my past doesn't define me, because it truly doesn't. And then you reflect. So after 7 days, you celebrate your effort. And so that would look like, I didn't always believe the affirmation, but trying it showed me I can rewrite my story. And so from the growth mindset connection, this exercise reinforces the belief that self-worth can grow through effort, and that changes and the challenges, past or present, are opportunities to learn. And by embracing the Amor Fati Stoic principle, you shift from seeing setbacks as proof of unworthiness to viewing them as integral to your unique path. From the cognitive neuroscience connection, the repeatedly replacing self-critical thoughts with affirmations or actions strengthens neural pathways for self-worth, leveraging neuroplasticity. And the dopamine released from the small wins, like writing the affirmation, reinforces the new habit, while the principle Amor Fati reduces stress by reframing setbacks as meaningful. If you'd like a copy of this, please let me know. I'd love to send it to you. You can DM me here, or you can post in the comments. And if you found this valuable and you tried it out, let me know the feedback you got. Also, if you tried something similar, drop a link to it, or maybe throw a little short description on what worked for you, because not everything's going to work for everyone across the board. We're all unique. We've all gone through a unique journey. And together, we can definitely help each other grow by our own experiences. Thanks so much for your time. Hope you have a phenomenal week.